Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is a continuous distribution, which is known as F distribution. In this topic, we will learn the reciprocal property of F distribution. So, we shall see first the reciprocal properties statement. Suppose if X is a F variate with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom. Then if we take the reciprocal of u as 1 upon u, then it also follow AF but with degrees of freedom n2 and n1. This means that if a variate u is F distributed, then its reciprocal is also having the same distribution but the degrees of freedom are interchange. We will prove it. Suppose let x and y are independent chi-squares, chi-square variates, independent chi-square variates, as x follow a chi-square with n1 degrees of freedom and y is and another variate which is independent of x follow a chi-square distribution with n2 degrees of freedom. Then we know that F distribution is the ratio of two independent chi-squares divided by their degrees of freedom. By using this property, I shall write u equal to x1 upon n1 divided by y upon n2. Since x and y are independent chi-square divided by their degrees of freedom, hence this u must follow a F distribution with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom. Now I will take the reciprocal of u. Then what will happen? Reciprocal of u means 1 upon u. Then what will happen? This is y divided by n2 upon x divided by n1. As we know that x is chi-square with n1 degrees of freedom, y is an independent chi-square with n2 degrees of freedom. Then 1 upon u is nothing but the ratio of two independent chi-squares divided by their respective degrees of freedom. Hence, by definition of F distribution, 1 upon u must follow a F distribution with degrees of freedom n2 and n1. Hence the result. This is the result. This means that if u is a F variate with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom, then its reciprocal also has the same distribution F, but the degrees of freedom are n2 and n1. This is the reciprocal property of F distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the definition of F distribution and its reciprocal property, and we also derive the distribution of 1 upon u when u is a F variate with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom. I hope student understand the reciprocal property of F distribution. If some student have any query, then please write in the comment below the video. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. If a student like this lecture, share with your friends and classmates to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. On the Learn Statistics platform, many more concepts are already discussed. If a student want to refer that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the lectures and playlist are mentioned in the description below. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.